Oftentimes when people are thinking about getting EFT certified, the real issue isn't really about getting certified. The real issue is how are they going to build a practice with EFT, because they're two completely different things. Getting certified, that's the easy part, right? You just show up and you do the work. And then at the end of it, you've got a piece of paper that says you know what you're doing. And hopefully, if you've done it correctly, you actually do know what you're doing. But then you've got to build a business. You've got to figure out how to make a living with this new skill set. And that's a different game. So there's no easy answer I can give you to that. There's no like some 15-second soundbite that's going to be, oh, if you just do A, B, and C, you can be a successful practitioner who makes good money. It's just not that straightforward. So that's why, along with Don Pensack, who's one of my master's graduates, who I think is an awesome person, we created the EFT Mentorship Program. So the EFT Mentorship Program is designed to walk you through the process and all of the various roads that you can go down to create an EFT practice. We have within that mentorship program a tremendous community of other practitioners that you can then collaborate with and work with and get to build relationships with in order to help encourage you along the path so you don't feel quite so alone and scared and lost out there, because it's a hard prospect to start a business if it's something you haven't done before in particular. So in the mentorship program, we have something that's called the Success Path, and it's really a step-by-step guide that teaches you each and every step along the path that can guide you towards becoming a successful practitioner. And within each of those different modules, we teach you, we teach you how to start a YouTube channel, how to put a virtual background onto your videos so that it doesn't look quite so bland. We teach you how to do your social media. We teach you the difference between personal and impersonal marketing. We teach you how to do your advertising. And it's just a wide array of information that's specifically designed towards creating your EFT practice. So that's why we created the EFT Mentorship Program, really was because it's a process. And there's a lot to know, and it can be a complicated process. You need people to help you along the path. And that's why we're here. So that's what the EFT Mentorship Program is designed for. And so if that's something that is a consideration for you or a concern, we can help you. Okay. Hope to see you in the mentorship program.